Hello dear fans. Why do animals need a tail? A wide variety of animals have tails. Tailless birds and animals can be counted on one hand. This means that this organ plays a very important role in their life. It helps to survive, to adapt to the conditions of existence, to satisfy vital needs. The tail can be a weapon, a steering wheel, an engine. It can be used to attract a girlfriend or to keep warm on a cold evening. Instructions. Step 1. Animals living on trees, squirrels, martens, sables, monkeys use their tail as a balancer and rudder when jumping along branches. The tail turns in the right direction and supports the animal in flight. With long jumps, the tail also serves as a parachute. Small steppe animals, such as jerboas, also have a tail that helps them to maneuver. They can turn sharply at high speed using the brush at the end of the tail. Kangaroos use their strong tail as a counterweight for long jumps, and sometimes sit on it like on a stool. The tail supports birds in the air. It dampens air turbulence, dangerous for flight. In addition, they need it when landing. Step 2. The tail can provide identification, for example, the upturned tail of a skunk or lemur. In a dog, it expresses mood and intention. Active wagging means joy and disposition, and a set tail speaks of fear or submission. In felines, everything happens the other way around, an irritated cat waving its tail from side to side. Step 3. Some rodents use this organ as a store of fat reserves. The dwarf jerboa living in the deserts of Central Asia is called the fat-tailed jerboa. Before hibernation, he feeds heavily and tries to accumulate more subcutaneous fat, part of which is deposited in the long tail. The fat-tailed marsupial dormouse, which lives on the islands of the Australian archipelago, also arrives. Fat-tailed sheep breeds are known. In some individuals, the fat tail reaches 80 kilograms. Fish also store fat in their tail. Step 4. Horses, cows, and other hoofed animals drive away annoying insects with their tails, flies, horseflies, gadflies that sit on their backs. In crocodiles and monitor lizards, the tail serves as a scourge with which they fight off attacking predators. These huge lizards also use their tails as a weapon when attacking. With its powerful tail, the crocodile knocks down the victim and drags it under the water. Step 5. Some animals, caught in the teeth of the enemy, shed their tails to stay alive. In a dangerous situation, a lizard strains its muscles and breaks its spine at the sight of the bite. After a while, a new tail grows out. Step 6. A male lyrebird living in Australia, at the sight of a female, spreads its wonderful tail, forming a silvery dome over itself. Only adult males can boast of such a tail. It takes more than 7 years to grow this beauty. During mating dances, the peacock also spreads its beautiful tail in a fan to attract the female. Although, if you find fault, this is not a tail, but the plumage of the lower part of the body. Females are lured by wobbling with their tail. Salamanders are small newts living in the Kuril Islands. Thanks for watching.